Hey, it's me again. I've got so much to show and tell and so much to learn. This rock here was found in Louisville, North Carolina. As you can see the remnants of the red clay dirt there. And if we take a look, we've got some of the same symbols that Country Boy Archaeology discusses in his video. Clearly a stone used for grinding perhaps walnuts. It's a little bit larger, and when you get the flash on there, you'll be able to see the striations inside of the hole where it was clearly used, and just fits right in your hand.